everybody.
Tasha is very passionate, she's very enthusiastic, and she's very committed to teaching students, participating in research, and advancing the profession of pharmacy.
Students really appreciate Tasha's efforts. She really is passionate about her teaching and ensuring the students get the best from their learning experiences.
She's always willing to share her expertise, and she's also always willing to share her experiences and provide feedback as we're developing teaching materials or also as we're developing research proposals.
I've had the pleasure of working with Tasha Ramsey quite frequently throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Tasha was my go-to person to reach out to with some of those clinical questions.
She has helped to set up Pharmacist consult lines that are accessible to any clinicians throughout the hospital or in the community to give advice on COVID vaccines, COVID treatment as it relates to keeping people out of hospital. And she also helps to organize lots of the education that has been required for clinicians along the way.
So we have 3 different pharmacist consult teams working out of Nova Scotia Health to support patients and healthcare practitioners across Nova Scotia. So I think that's excellent examples of how Tasha thinks outside the box.
She's been so dedicated to providing support to pharmacists all across Nova Scotia. I think pharmacists all over the province have benefited from some of the materials she's developed and the services that she's developed, and she's just been a source of expertise for pharmacists everywhere in Nova Scotia.
There's not enough that can be said about everything that Tasha's been doing around COVID-19. We would not be in as good of a position as we are if it wasn't for Tasha's work.
We found out that we were proceeding with the vaccination campaign in late February, and within a few weeks Tasha had an education webinar, slides, frequently asked questions. Everything was ready to go and recorded within just a matter of weeks.
I was able to attend the many different CE events that she did to help educate pharmacists about vaccinating with COVID-19 vaccines.
She seems to be able to adapt to any question, any situation, thinks quick on her feet, and she can take a large amount of information and compile it into exactly what the person that she's talking to needs to know.
She is just passionate and caring and just wants everybody to have the best care possible.
It's always just been a pleasure collaborating with her, working with her, learning from her, because I know that the end product that we're working on will be of such high quality.
Her hard work, her dedication, and her commitment to pharmacy teams, to her patients throughout the COVID-19 pandemic has been exemplary. I can't imagine a more deserving person.
She's just always the consummate professional.
She's just an amazing person, and you're lucky if you know Tasha, and I recommend everybody meet Tasha, at least virtually, and experience the wonderfulness that is Tasha.